Welcome to this instructional video on installing the Arnott new front air struts for the Mercedes-Benz E-Class AMG W211/S211 and CLS-Class AMG C219. We'll guide you through the process to ensure a smooth and safe installation experience. Before starting, ensure you have the necessary safety measures in place, which can be found in the vehicle owner's manual. Lift and immobilize the vehicle properly and isolate any stored energy to prevent injuries or damage. Start by setting the steering to straight ahead. Then raise the vehicle and remove the applicable front wheel. Locate and remove the upper control ball joint nut. Separate the ball joint from the spindle assembly and remove the sensor lines from the brackets. Continue by removing the inner fender well screws and locate and disconnect the electrical plug. Now loosen the lower shock mounting bolt and disconnect the airline from the top of the strut. Unplug the electrical connector and remove the 3 top mounting bolts. To complete the removal process, remove the lower shock mounting bolt and remove the shock assembly from the vehicle. Install the new air strut in the reverse order of removal. Tighten all nuts and bolts to the vehicle manufacturer's specifications to ensure a secure and proper fit. Thank you for following our guide on installing the new front air struts for a Mercedes-Benz E-Class AMG or CLS-Class AMG. Proper installation ensures the longevity and performance of your vehicle's suspension system. Stay safe and happy repairing.